Smartsheet's columns have unique properties designed to help you manage information in each sheet. The primary column helps manage and organize data, supports hierarchy for better project tracking, and ensures seamless collaboration with clear row identification. It's the foundational column for your sheet. It is mandatory, so it cannot be deleted, and it must always be a text number field column type. The values in the primary column serve as the descriptor for each row, helping to uniquely identify it. A clear and descriptive primary column name is especially useful when collaborating with others or requesting updates. Therefore, when naming your primary column, always choose a descriptive name to ensure that recipients can easily understand the reference. Today, we'll use this sheet to track essential tasks for our upcoming projects. So let's rename the primary column by double-clicking the column name and typing a new one, Task Name. In this column, we will list the tasks that need to be completed. This data, like any stored in the primary column, will be essential for reports, automation rules, dashboards, and more. Adding hierarchy is another unique feature of the primary column. By grouping parent and child rows, you enhance your data organization and ease the tracking of different levels of your project. Let's use this unique feature of the primary column to make this sheet much neater. We'll break tasks into projects using parent and child row to keep the data structured and easy to manage. You can do this by selecting the rows you want to indent within the primary column. Then, use the arrow buttons in each row to assign parent-child relationships. Once indented, you can collapse all rows beneath the corresponding parent row to help keep your data organized and see the main tasks associated with each project. This is done by selecting the drop-down arrow next to each parent row. What if you are not building a sheet but importing the data? Since the primary column is mandatory, creating a new sheet by importing data from another program will prompt you to designate one column as the primary column. On your sheet, you'll recognize the primary column by the default information icon in the left corner. Note that once set, you cannot change the primary column. But don't worry. While you can't assign a different column to the one you chose as a primary column, if you want to modify its content, you can insert a new column and cut and paste the data to fit your needs. Jump into Smartsheet today or learn more in the Smartsheet Help Center. Thanks for watching.